Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. I hope your day is off to a great start. I feel like it has been a hot minute since I have filmed some dedicated candle review videos. I spent the beginning of January focusing a little bit more on my best of like 2023 series. So, however, now that that is all completed, I am back to reviewing candles, and I'm gonna have 3 for you guys today. I know that that's probably a lot, but honestly, I still have a lot of candles that I need to get around to reviewing, and so for the next couple of weeks here, you're going to be seeing a number of candle reviews coming through. I try not to upload more than 2 in a day, but for these first couple days here, I think I'm going to opt for 3 per day just to get a few more of these reviews out, and so I can feel like I'm getting caught up. So we are going to kick it off today with a couple of new reserve fragrances from Kringle Candle. So the first one that I will have for you guys today is Sweet Cream, which is from the most recent reserve drop. And then a little bit later, you'll see sprinkled macarons. I'm going to call it macarons, even though Kringle has it labeled macaroons. I'll address that cookie naming debacle in that video. But and then the last video of the day is actually going to be a Nest candle review. So if you are interested in any of those, obviously make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. And that way these videos should pop up in your subscription feed. So you guys, let's dive into Sweet Cream. First of all, I have been stalking the website to be able to buy backups of both this Sweet Cream and the sprinkled macarons because I am absolutely in love. And I mean in love like jelly donut in love like vintage pomander in love. These are such delicious, authentic fragrances, and you guys, the performance has been absolutely incredible. So I am so excited to share my reviews for all of these reserve candles that were in that particular launch. Even the scents that aren't really like up my alley, like the California Cab, the Silky Sheets, they are all so strong in terms of strength and throw. I'm actually wondering if Kringle changed something in the formulation. They certainly didn't mention anything to us, but the strength and throw of this drop was insane, like across the board. So Sweet Cream is currently sold out, but I will go ahead and link Kringle Candle in the description box down below. They do have an option where you can sign up to be emailed when the fragrances are available, but in all honesty, that particular system of Kringle's really doesn't work very well. I know that I have my name down for notifications. However, this morning, the sprinkled macarons came back into stock and I didn't receive a notification, so I missed out on it. I really want to get my hands on more of that one and this one, so I was a little perturbed by that, but I mean, go ahead and put your name in there anyway. But just to warn you, I think it's better to just kind of stalk the site periodically. Hello, Penny. Sorry, you guys are probably hearing a lot of snorting in the background of this video. Both dogs are attached to my hip today, so please enjoy that free pug ASMR. Let's go ahead and get into the description of this one and then talk about the fragrance notes and then get into like what I would arguably say is like the best part, which is the strength and throw here. I mean, I wouldn't say best part because man, just all of it is perfect. All right, Sweet Cream. Experience the delectable decadence of Sweet Cream, where ripe strawberry sugar and cloudberry jam dance with cotton candy swirls and crystallized petals before settling into a sumptuous embrace of whipped vanilla cream and sweet musk that will captivate your senses. Oh, you guys, she is so delicious. All right, top notes are strawberry sugar and cloudberry jam. The mid notes are cotton candy swirl, crystallized petals. The base is whipped vanilla cream and sweet musk. So let me tell you what this smells like. It smells like the most delicious, the most rich, the most like decadent whipped strawberry cream. This is pure strawberry creamy heaven. I adore this scent. I think this smells better, not that they are like the same fragrance, but I definitely became a fan of the strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works because I really like that particular strawberry note. It is, the Bath and Body Works version smells a little bit more of like a candied strawberry. This is a little different in that it really smells like you are incorporating real juicy ripe strawberries into your whipped cream. There is the perfect touch of vanilla bean at the base of this. I can't really say much about cloudberry jam, but the strawberry sugar is so accurate. And also that touch of cotton candy, it does kind of come across as like maybe like raspberry cotton candy was folded into this as well. It is quite sweet, but I don't consider this cloying. It is incredibly authentic. I don't think anything about this smells artificial, from the whipped cream note to the strawberry note to that cotton candy and the vanilla bean. It all smells crazy authentic, delicious. It's perfect. I love this scent, and I would pick this any day over strawberry pound cake at this point. Penny, no growling. Come on, girly. There's nothing in here. She's actually growling at the other candle that I have lit on the table. You don't like the sprinkled macarons? Oh no. Anyway, you guys, strength and throw, let's get there. The strength of this, listen, I don't know, again, what happened here in terms of like if they reformulated something, but I'm putting the strength of this chew wick at like a solid 8, and at times I would even bump it up to like an 8.5. When I have it in my Chester Hurricanes, I notice that it definitely amps up that strength and throw a little bit more. But I can leave this out on its own without a candle sleeve, and it is performing like a freaking champ, you guys. It is so strong. Again, it's despite that like sugary sweetness here and the strength, it is not cloying. It fills your house with the most delicious, rich strawberry whipped cream scent. And speaking of filling the house, the throw, I'm going to put at a solid 8 as well. These particular Kringle Reserve launches, I think, are some of the best that they've had. I would actually like to see this particular scent, as well as the sprinkled macarons, to be transferred over to the new 4 wicks that are coming down the line from Kringle Candle, which, by the way, I do believe that is probably going to be happening this year. I'm so excited for that. But if these came in a 4 wick format, I think that one of them with this particular formulation right here could fill the entire downstairs of our house. Like, I have no doubt. So I'm in love with this scent. I'm in love with whatever the formulation is here of, you know, the wax to the fragrance oils. Everything is perfect. Obviously, because it's the Kringle soy formula, there are no issues with the wax becoming discolored. This candle is lit, by the way, but obviously these reserve jars are quite dark. So I just lit this right before beginning this review, so it hasn't fully pulled out, but I get a solid, I would say, almost like an inch wax pool on these. And even from like the beginning to here at just about the halfway point, there's no change in the strength and throw at all. Like, it has been consistent from start to midpoint, and I feel like it's going to be consistent from here to the end. My only beef right now with this is that I cannot buy another one, and I'm desperate for another one. So keep your eye out for Kringle Reserve Sweet Cream if you're interested in it. I'll try to notify you guys both on Instagram as well as here on my YouTube community tab when it's re-released. I really would like Kringle to get better about providing restocks this year, and not just small quantities of restocks. I think that's kind of my biggest annoyance with Kringle, is that they're just not creating enough of these. And I get it, like for a while there, especially after they raised the price, things were sitting and the candles weren't moving as fast, and you have to kind of balance with, you know, with what's selling. You don't as a business want to have a bunch of stock on hand. So I get that. Hold on one second. All right, sorry about that. A little cough attack there. And then, of course, my neighbor Mike has his leaf blower out. I really hope you guys can't hear that. But anyway, I was talking about how I really need Kringle to, like, step up. I totally get not being sure of what's going to sell out at first, and maybe producing smaller quantities. But I really think that they need to get better about the restocks and making sure those are coming out maybe a little bit more quickly. It's a fine, tricky balance. I get it, but I think they need to get a little bit better about that. So my fingers are crossed. I just want more of this. Like, I would love to just be able to, you know, purchase maybe like 2 at a time, burn through those 2. And as I'm finishing up the second one, I want to be able to pop on the Kringle website and order another 2 if that's what I'm wanting. And just knowing that they're going to be there for me to do that. Yeah. That is my hope for Kringle this year. Anyway, you guys, this one gets 2 big fat thumbs up for me. I am absolutely in love. And yeah, I don't want to be without this one. It is another great addition to the Reserve lineup. And I certainly hope that we keep seeing more of this one in the very near future. So let me know your thoughts on Sweet Cream if you had a chance to purchase it upon its initial release. You can use my discount code Melanie15 to save 15% off of any order at Kringle Candle. So the next time this is released, these typically don't go on sale, but you can use that code to at least save 15% off of these. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you're not subscribed, again, make sure that you do so, and the following reviews should pop up in your subscription feed. All right, have a great rest of your day, guys. Toodaloo.